Alright everyone, and very welcome to the course. This course is so special because I put a lot of effort into this, so you guys can learn easily and become a pro user of this amazing software Blender. The course is so detailed and step by step, so we divided it into 4 steps. The first step is that how to start Blender, which include the introduction of Blender, the system requirement, downloading and installing, and the first look of Blender. After we start Blender, the first thing that we are going to learn is the interface. So in the interface, we will learn all the basic interface, transformation of objects, different modes, how things works, pivot and origins, and the things that need to be changed after installing Blender. So in the third step, we will learn the basics of all the tools. So it starts from the basics of modifiers, basics of modeling, sculpting, material and shading, environment and world, keyframes, UV mapping, texture paint, rigging bones, and shape keys. So after learning all the tools, we will start exercising. So in the exercises, we will be creating different 3D models like air balloon, a zarafa, and a kite. After that, we will be rigging and adding animations to it, and in the final, we will be rendering it out. So this course is so unique from all the courses on internet because not just we learn all the things, but we actually applied it in exercises. So this is the perfect course for you, and I promise that you will never regret it. Now don't waste time and start enroll.